Mapping services in Gurgaon Sector 23 are highly sought after due to their importance in various industries. Mapping services involve the creation of detailed and accurate digital maps of a specific area or location. These maps are used in a wide range of applications such as urban planning, infrastructure development, navigation systems, and real estate development. Gurgaon Sector 23 is a prominent commercial and residential area in Gurgaon, making mapping services in this sector particularly crucial. One key player in the mapping services industry in Gurgaon Sector 23 is SCON Design. SCON Design is a renowned company that specializes in offering mapping services to clients in various sectors. With their expertise and advanced technology, they provide accurate and detailed maps that cater to the specific needs of their clients. Whether it is for urban development projects or real estate planning, SCON Design excels in delivering top-notch mapping services that help clients make informed decisions. The mapping services provided by SCON Design in Gurgaon Sector 23 are highly reliable and accurate. They use advanced tools and technologies to collect data and create digital maps that meet the highest standards of precision. These maps provide valuable information about the area's infrastructure, roads, landmarks, and other important features. This information is crucial for businesses and organizations operating in Gurgaon Sector 23, as it helps them plan their operations, identify potential opportunities, and optimize their resources effectively. Moreover, SCON Design understands the importance of customization in mapping services. Whether it is creating maps for real estate developers, architects, or government agencies, SCON Design ensures that the maps contain the necessary details and information relevant to each client's needs. Gurgaon Sector 23 mapping services are in high demand because of their significance across numerous businesses. In mapping services, precise and accurate digital maps of a given area or location are produced. Numerous applications, including urban planning, infrastructure development, navigation systems, and real estate development, make use of these maps. Since Gurgaon Sector 23 is a well-known commercial and residential region, mapping services in this area are especially important. SCON Design is a significant player in Gurgaon Sector 23's mapping services market, a well-known business that specializes in providing mapping services to customers in many industries is SCON Design. They get precise and detailed maps that are tailored to the individual demands of their customers, thanks to their knowledge and cutting-edge technology. SCON Design specializes at providing first-rate mapping services that support clients in making educated decisions, whether it be for real estate planning or urban development projects. SCON Design in Gurgaon Sector 23 offers extremely accurate and trustworthy mapping services. To gather information and produce digital maps that adhere to the highest standards of accuracy,